Welcome again. Among the two integration features of radius booking and classified listing, today's tutorial focuses on listing for service booking, where every listing works as a bookable service, perfect for cleaning, repair, beauty, maintenance, and other service-based directories. So in the very beginning, we will install the radius booking, the free and the pro version. Let's click on an upload plugin. Click on choose file. Select the exact your downloaded zip file. Then click on install now. While done, click on activate plugin. Now at this moment, we will upload the pro version of radius booking plugin. So go to the plugins to add a plugin. Then click on upload file. For choosing file, select the exact zip file of the pro version and then click on install now. After installing, click on activate plugin. Here these are. Now we will configure general settings for booking. Go to the radius booking plugin dashboard and from here you can set your business information for using across your communication and calendar. Provide your company name, your business phone number along with business address. You can set your company logo if you want. Then click on Save Changes. Next, go to the schedule. From here, you can set your business date and time. You can set the weekends according to your business type requirements. Before moving to the next step, click on Save Changes. Now go to the integration. Firstly, we need to turn on classified listing integration to enable this. Then select listing as service from your listing mapping mode. Set your duration. You can also change your book now button text from here. If you want, you can control the seller permission by enabling or disabling this option. Now click on Save Changes. Then move to the payment gateway. From here, you can select your payment method into offline payment, PayPal or the Stripe. You can choose it according to your preference. In the next, we will go the payout for configuring commission rate, minimum payout amounts and available payout methods for employees. Make it enable. Select your commission type as percentage, set the rate and the minimum payout amount. For the payout method, choose either cash or bank transfer. You can select both together. Then click on Save to update it. Next, go to the business setup, navigate to service. You need to create a category. Set the name for your category. And then move to the classified listing for the form builder. Click here to edit it. You will get this type of appearance. From here you can add or edit your booking field on the listing. So let's click on here to edit. Customize your section title. Go to the preset field, drag and drop radius booking and click here for further edit. Make your mapping mode into listing as service and then click here to save your form. Now let's visit the site. From here, click on Add Listing. Provide your basic information for your business. First, title. Select your required category. Make your booking form enable for the listing. Then set your price type and the price. If you want, you can write a description about your service details. If you want, you can add an image for it. Then provide your location like service area, the location and the zip code. And lastly, provide your contact information carefully. Write your payment terms here. And if you want, you can write a note to your customer. While everything is complete, then click on Submit. Here it is, our created booking for the listing. Let's click on it. Here you can see the single details page. From here you can book your appointment by clicking Booking Now. Let's try it to see the process of our booking appointment. Firstly, choose your service and staff. Then select your appointment date and the availability time slot. Here, provide customer details like name, phone number, and the email. If you want, you can write any additional notes here. Click on Next. From the checkout, choose your payment method and click on Continue. After that, your appointment will be confirmed. Now, go to the My Account page. From this dashboard, you can view your bookings. Go to the My Calendar and see which booking is appointed. Then the services. If you want, you can edit the service by clicking here. For example, you can further edit your category and the service name if necessary. To view everything in more detail, click on View Details. And here it is, the complete appointment details including your selected date, time slot, service duration, customer information, and finally the payment details. Check the service and the customer again. Then work schedule and the payments. In the next, manage staff. From here, if you click on add staff, it will add your staff member to get started. Let's see how it looks. Here, this is the appearance of your new staff member form. You just need to provide the information like name, email address, phone number, and an image. Then click on Add Staff, and this way you can easily create your desired service under the supervision of your preferred staff member. Let's go to the archive listing page and click on the recently created bookable service listing. Let's click on Book Now to make further an appointment for booking a service, and this time including recruited staff member. Next, select appointment date and time slot. Provide customer information. And for the checkout, choose your payment method, then make your appointment confirmed. Now let's log in to the staff dashboard to view the details of our service listing. So provide the username and the password of the staff member. And here it is. You can see the overview of the booking. Go to My Calendar, click on your booking service. You can see the customer appointment service details, including customer information, and lastly, the payment details. Let's further check the service, customer, work schedule, and the payment. Now let's add another bookable service and do the similar process just like the earlier. Provide the title, say the category, enable booking for this listing, and then follow the same process for pricing details, service details, and the other required fields. While your everything is done, then click on Submit. If you want to see your bookable service, Then click on Book Now. And fill up the contact details of your customer. In the next, choose your payment method to be continued. After completing the process, your appointment will be confirmed. Now let's back to the booking and see the details about the service from My Calendar. Let's click on your just added bookable service listing and then view details, where you can see the details about your service, your customer, and the payment. Here in the payment, the status shows it as pending. Next, go to the service. And from here, if you want, you can edit your service category and then see it. Now go to the customer. Here you can see the details about their information. If you go the payment, it will show your payment status. Now let's back to My Calendar. For the new service, make your payment as completed. Here the payment is still showing as due paid and it will not be marked as completed until the admin confirms it from the admin dashboard. So let's back to the Radius Booking plugin dashboard. Navigate to the appointment. Click on the recently added customer and click on Mark as paid. Your appointment payment updated successfully. To check it further, back to the booking, and from here you can see the overview like service, payment, where the commission rate is also be mentioned, and then payout. You can see the total earnings, net earnings, paid out, and the pending status. Service provider can pay out the balance from the dashboard, provide the amount to your service, and if you want, write a note for it. Then click on Submit Request. And instantly it will display you the payout history along with the status, and it shows as pending yet. So for fixing this, let's back to the Radius Booking dashboard. Navigate to all payouts. Click on here first. If you want, you can write a note about it. And then make it approve. Now the status shows approve here. Let's back to the service provider dashboard. And here this is the difference after changing the status as approved. Beside the service provider, the website owner admin also can check his commission from the bookings. And for this, go to the commission, and here you can see the current status of the payment like appointment revenue, commission income paid to employees, and the pending payouts. These are the booking amount as well as the commission. And this is how it works as listing as service. Thank you for watching this tutorial.